In this video, I'm showing you how to make classic creamy mashed potatoes. Don't forget to subscribe for my latest cooking videos. First up, we need to take our russet potatoes and a little scrap bowl, and we're gonna start by peeling all of them with a peeler. So go ahead and remove the outer skin until it looks like so. You're gonna fill up your pot of water and place the potato directly in the pot after peeling it. Go ahead and peel the remaining potatoes and place them in the water until it looks like so. Next up, we're going to cut the potatoes into a large dice. This is going to make it boil a little bit faster. Now, if you want to boil them whole, that's an option too. But if you're like me, you'll want to eat the potatoes right away. So go ahead, cut it in half again, and then into a large dice. After you cut them, put them back into that pot of water since potatoes can turn brown very easily. So this will help prevent that. Continue to cut the potatoes until all of them are diced. Let me show you that one more time. When your potatoes are all chopped, now we need to just boil them. Make sure they're completely covered with water, so add a little bit more if needed, turn it on high, and bring it up to a boil. Now stir it occasionally, and after a while we're going to test them. A fork should pierce easily through the potato. Then take your pot of potatoes and we're going to strain it. Strain it in a couple batches so you don't get steam burns. Don't get rid of that pot yet. Take your stick of butter and we're going to add it directly to the hot pot. Now, you can use a potato masher and mash these by hand, or you could use a potato ricer, which I prefer, so that there is no lumps. So, to use this, you're just going to open it. I like to take a large spoon, and I'm just going to spoon the potatoes directly into the ricer. And then put some pressure on it, and you're going to push the potatoes out. The steaming hot potatoes are actually going to melt the butter. That's why I like to put the stick in at the bottom. So just repeat this step until all the potatoes have been riced. Yum, now it's looking like mashed potatoes. All right, now of course we need a little salt. I recommend adding just the bare minimum first. We can always add in more. Take a little black pepper. Be careful with the pepper. Just add a little bit, and then you can always add more. We're going to add some milk into it, or you could use cream. Now, if you're doing non-dairy, you could always switch this out for non-dairy milk. Again, I like to add a little bit to start. We can always add more if we need. Take a whisk, and we're just gonna whisk it up so they're nice and fluffy. Yum! Potatoes are almost done, but now we just need to give them a taste and adjust the seasonings. This is the best part. Add a little more salt if needed, add a little more cream or milk if you need. Don't forget to stir it up again. So now we're just going to plate them up and smooth it out a little bit to make it look nice and pretty. And there you go, classic creamy mashed potatoes with butter, milk, salt, and pepper. So comforting and delicious. I hope you enjoy my recipe, and I'll see you next time. Happy eating.